having buffet in this building, that building, second floor. This is Crown Plaza, Macau. Crown Plaza, Macau. Yeah. In that light, second floor, we ate buffet. We just came down. We just finished. Here's the lobby. Over there. My boss treat us in buffet restaurant, Crown Plaza. Thank you, boss.